Wilting Away. Understanding idiomatic expressions in English. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into the picturesque world of idiomatic expressions in the English language. We'll be exploring the phrase, wilting away, and how it breathes life into our conversations. Fasten your seatbelts as we embark on this linguistic journey. Let's start with the basics. The word wilting refers to what happens to plants when they lack water or are exposed to excessive heat. Picture a flower that once stood upright, now drooping and sagging, its vitality fading. It's a vivid image that sets the stage for the idiomatic meaning we're about to uncover. Now, let's go beyond the garden. When used as an idiom, wilting away describes a person who is gradually declining in health or vigor. It captures a sense of diminishing strength or presence, much like the plant we described earlier. This expression often evokes a feeling of gradual loss, be it energy, hope, or well-being. Understanding an idiom is all about context, so let's see it in action. Imagine someone saying, after months of battling illness, he seemed to be wilting away before our eyes. It's a powerful statement that conveys a lot without saying too much. Or consider, the once bustling town, now neglected, is slowly wilting away. Here, it's not just people but places that can wilt. While wilting away is expressive, it's important to use it sensitively. It's perfect for creative writing or describing a profound transformation. However, be cautious in personal situations, as it can sound dramatic or even negative. We hope this exploration of wilting away has given you a new appreciation for the beauty and depth of English idioms. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the imagery and emotions they evoke. Keep learning, keep exploring, and you'll find that every phrase has a story. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.